Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Shopify for dropshipping apps, beginner guide step by step clearly. Start by opening your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type www.shopify.com and press enter. Once the Shopify homepage loads, locate the Start Free Trial button. Click on the green button to begin the registration process. You will be prompted to enter your email address. Fill in your email address and click Continue. Next, you will be asked to create a password. Choose a strong password and enter it in the designated field. Now, you'll need to provide your store name. Think of a unique name that reflects your brand, then enter it. Click Create Your Store to proceed. The system will then ask a few questions about your business. Answer the questions honestly to help Shopify tailor your experience. Once done, click Next to move forward. You will now be directed to the Shopify dashboard. This is your control center for managing your store. To set up for dropshipping, navigate to the Apps section on the left menu. Click on Visit the Shopify App Store. In the App Store, use the search bar to look for dropshipping apps. Popular choices include Oberlo, Spocket, and Sears. Select an app that fits your needs and click Install App. Follow the prompts to integrate the app with your Shopify store. Once installed, explore the app's features and settings. Import products that you wish to sell in your store. Make sure to customize product details to match your brand style. After importing, check your inventory and adjust pricing as necessary. Next, set up payment gateways in the Shopify settings. This allows customers to make transactions seamlessly. Configure shipping settings to define your delivery options. Finally, test your store by browsing through your products. Ensure everything is functioning correctly before launching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.